Good morning, class 9. Let's see chapter number 9, triangles. In this, we will deal with congruency in triangles. Now, what is a triangle? You all know a three-sided figure having three vertices, three sides, and three angles. This is your triangle. Now, we are going to learn some more about triangles. First of all, relation between sides and angles of triangle. Now the first thing is, if all sides of a triangle are of different lengths, its angles are also of different measures. If all sides of a triangle are of different lengths, then the measurement of all these angles is also going to be different, in such a way that the greater side, the side which is the greatest one, has greater angle opposite to it. In the given triangle ABC, AB, BC, AC are all of different lengths. Therefore, angles ABC are also different. Now, if AC is greater than BC and BC is greater than AP, therefore, this angle B is going to be greater than angle A. Why? Because BC is opposite to AC, which is the greatest side, and angle A is opposite to BC, which is coming in the middle. Last one is angle C, which is opposite to the smallest side, AB. Now the converse is also there. If all the angles of a triangle have different measures, all the angles are different, then its sides are also going to be different. And again the same way, the greater angle has greater side opposite to it. Just now we read the greatest side is going to have the greatest angle opposite to it. Now we'll say the greater angle has got the greater side opposite to it. Now suppose if this angle C is the greatest one, is the biggest one, then which side is going to be biggest? AB is going to be the biggest or the largest side. Now third property says, if any two sides are equal of a triangle, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. And the converse is also true, that if suppose the angles are equal, opposite angles are equal, then automatically the sides opposite to them are also equal. And the fourth property says, if all the sides of a triangle are equal, then all its angles are also equal. And converse is also true. If all angles of a triangle are equal, then all its sides are also equal. Now we will look some of the terms, some important terms. First is median. Now what is a median? The median of a triangle corresponding to any side. Now I am showing you corresponding to BC is the line joining the midpoint of that side with the opposite vertex. Now from here, from A, the opposite vertex of BC, we are drawing a line and it is dividing the BC into two equal parts, BD and DC. So this is the median of this triangle corresponding to side BC. Here in this case, BE is the median because it is dividing AC into two equal parts and it is corresponding to AC. And here in this case, CF is the median of this triangle because it is dividing AB into two equal parts and it is corresponding to AB. Now a triangle has got how many medians? 3 medians, and all medians are always concurrent, means they intersect each other at only one point, and the point where all they intersect is called centroid of the triangle. Then comes altitude. An altitude of a triangle corresponding to any side is the length of the perpendicular corresponding to any side, corresponding to BC, AC or AB. Now this is going to be the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex. This the length of this AD, and AD is the perpendicular. Take care. A triangle has got how many altitudes? It has got 3 altitudes, and they all are again concurrent. That is, they intersect at one point only, and this point where all they intersect is called orthocenter. Now the next topic comes congruent triangles. You can please read this box yourself. This is the exterior angle property I have told you in the class also. Now here comes the new topic, congruent triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent to each other if on placing one over the other they exactly coincide. If you place this triangle on this, then it will exactly coincide with this. It has got same shape and same size. Now what do you mean by same shape? Angles of one triangle are equal to angles of other triangle, but in case of same size, sides of one triangle are equal to the sides of the other. Angles are equal, sides also are equal, then this is your completely coinciding triangles, and this is your called congruent triangles. In this case, this angle A is equal to angle D, B is equal to E, and C is equal to F, and this side is equal to this side is equal to this, and this one to this. So we can say that ABC is congruent to DEF, and this is the symbol of congruency. Okay. Now we have certain conditions for congruency of triangles. First is SAS. Suppose in two triangles, two sides and one angle is equal, then we can say that the two triangles are congruent by the property of side angle side. And one more thing, suppose you prove the two triangles are congruent to each other, then automatically corresponding parts of congruent triangles are also congruent. The remaining parts also and the corresponding ones, they are also automatically congruent, equal, and they are abbreviated as CPCTC. You'll be coming to know this when we'll do some questions. Now the second condition is if two angles and included side of one triangle are equal. If two angles and one side are equal, then the triangles are also, then again the triangles are congruent, and this is abbreviated as ASA, two angles and one side. Third condition is if two angles, one side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the corresponding side, then again the triangles are congruent, AAS property. Now in this third property you have to be quite you have to take quite precaution that while using the axiom AAS, the two equal sides must be the corresponding sides. That is, the sides must be opposite to equal angles of the two triangles under consideration. In the figure given above, the equal sides are AC and EF, and these two sides, that is AC and A, are not opposite to equal angles, so are not congruent. I hope this is clear to you. In the given figure, equal sides are AC and EF. These two sides are equal, but they are not opposite to equal angles. Opposite to AC is B and opposite to EF is D. They are not opposite to equal angles, so they are not congruent by AS. So this was all about the properties. Now we'll do some questions in the next video.